Tired of juggling multiple apps to track your time and manage your projects? Let's dive straight into how to integrate Clockify seamlessly into ClickUp, boosting your productivity and simplifying your workflow. First, in ClickUp, navigate to your profile icon in the bottom left corner and click on Apps. Then, in the Apps Marketplace, find Clockify and click on Add App. You'll be redirected to Clockify to authorize the connection if you don't have a Clockify account. Now is the time to create one. Click Authorize to grant ClickUp access to your Clockify workspace. Back in ClickUp, you'll see that Clockify is now activated here. You can select your Clockify workspace. Now, open any task in ClickUp. You'll notice a Clockify timer icon has appeared. Click on it to start tracking time directly from within the task. The task name will automatically populate in Clockify, making time tracking super efficient. Once you've tracked your time, head over to Clockify to generate detailed reports based on your ClickUp tasks. You can analyze where your time is going and identify areas for improvement. Filter by project, task, user, and more to get a clear picture of your team's productivity. That's it. You've successfully integrated Clockify with ClickUp. Start tracking your time efficiently, streamline your project management, and boost your productivity. Happy tracking.